The Samurai Containment Advantage for Raised Floor Data Centers. Most IT racks experience up to a 20-degree difference between the bottom and top of the rack caused by underperforming perforated floor tiles used in most data centers today. This causes the racks to recirculate their hot exhaust air back into rack inlets near the top of the racks, resulting in very high air inlet temperatures near the top of those racks. The Samurai containment technology uses a patented design that creates a higher stratification of air in the cold aisle and, more importantly, creates both turbulence and airflow direction to the rack inlets, thus providing superior heat transfer both into and away from the rack. At Applied Math Modeling, we performed extensive detailed simulations using advanced CFD modeling techniques and found that the traditional perforated tile used in most data centers today performs very poorly with respect to creating turbulence and mixing in the cold aisle. You can see in these results that there is no turbulence and the cool air does not extend very far up into the room. However, if you look at the Samurai perforated tile under the same exact underfloor pressure conditions of 0.02 inches of water, the level of air delivered into the room is much higher, and the overall mixing of the air is much more pronounced. The result is a more uniform temperature variation across the rack inlets, resulting in superior heat transfer through and away from the rack. You can see this effect in these CFD results shown here. The areas in red represent high levels of turbulence, and blue indicates low level of turbulence. It is easy to see even uniform distribution of cool air across the entire front of the IT rack. When Samurai containment is used in data center applications, shown in this CFD model, the standard perforated tile is shown to perform poorly. You will notice that the path lines of air are not reaching the upper sections of the IT cabinet. As a result, the upper sections operate at a higher temperature. This can be seen in these rack inlet temperature contour plots where the upper sections of the IT cabinets fall out of range when compared to the ASHRAE rack inlet recommendations for temperature. Using the same model and underfloor pressure, but now with the Samurai containment technology, you can see in these results that the airflow comes up higher into the IT rack inlets, and due to the unique underfloor geometry, the air is directed up into the IT cabinet. The key benefit of the Samurai technology is cool air from the subfloor is directed higher up into the cabinet than other standard perforated tiles. Its patented design creates turbulence in the cold aisle, which aids in the mixing of cool air, thus improving the overall heat transfer away from the IT equipment. The unique underfloor fins redirect high-velocity air up into the room, thereby increasing its static pressure, particularly effective in older data centers with shallow supply plenums. The result is an even temperature distribution across the entire front intake of the IT racks, as can be seen in these temperature inlet conformance plots. From an energy savings perspective, the Samurai containment technology allows the data center to be operated at a lower overall underfloor pressure, thus reducing the fan speed and respective power to drive the fans. The chilled water temperature can be raised, yielding significant savings and production of chilled water, compressors, and related pumps. And most importantly, the IT servers can operate all at lower rack inlet temperatures, saving money on fans and improving their overall life cycle, all without the need for physical containment, thus eliminating the obstacles and issues related to fire suppression and complex data configurations. For more information, you can contact us at www.technologyconnection.com, email us at information@technologyconnection.com, or phone us at 1-800-671-3918. Thank you.